Hi friends, welcome to Love with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is mayor, which means only or nothing more. Next, resilient, which means able to recover quickly from difficulty. Next, confront, which means to face a problem or challenge directly. Next, unprecedented, which means never happened before. Next, devastate, which means to destroy badly. Next, ally, which means a friend, a partner who supports you. Next, sequester, which means to separate or isolate. Next, replenish, which means to refill or restore. Next, impermeable, which means not allowing water or liquid to pass through. Next, rely, which means to depend on. Next, compaction, which means pressing something to make it dense or tight. Next, asphalt, which means a black material used to make roads. Next, suffocate, which means to have difficulty breathing or to stop airflow. Next, steward, which means a caretaker or someone who manages something responsibly. Next, amendment, which means a change or correction. Next, aesthetic, which means related to beauty or appearance. Next, embrace, which means to accept or welcome something. Next, native, which means originally from a place. Next, mulch, which means material spread on soil to keep it moist and healthy. Next, residue, which means what remains after something is gone. Thank you for learning.